this video, we're gonna take a look at the Design by Nature Nature's Curl pattern. This is a half bundle. All Design by Nature pieces come in half bundles. Gliding right through, breaking up the curl patterns. Look at those beautiful curls. Look at those beautiful curls. Just as soft as they can be. We are going to dip this half bundle in our basin of conditioner water here so that we can brush it and break up that curl pattern even more. All right, so we've thoroughly soaked our piece. We are taking our paddle brush, going right on through. All right, you see all that? Curls are amazing. All right, I'm gonna get this piece rinsed out, lay it out to dry. I'll be right back with the results. All right, so we've got our Design by Nature Nature's Curl piece. Conditioner all rinsed out. We're just gonna lay her out to dry. And we'll be back with the results. Design by Nature Nature's Curl. All right, our Design by Nature Nature's Curl piece has fully dried. Look at that beautiful pattern. It's gorgeous. As I was saying in the other video, when you have a steam processed pattern, when it first comes to you, it's gonna have a little extra sheen on it, but that does fade away with washing and wear. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at those defined curls and ringlets. Just gorgeous. And again, this is a half bundle. So you know with a full bundle, it just looks full and just absolutely gorgeous installed. There you go. Design by Nature, Nature's Curl.